Hello everybody again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Let's continue our establishing of the record keeping and documentation procedures in our HACCP plan. The number 6 in the records in our HACCP plan are the supplier and the ingredient documentation. So for the supplier and the ingredient, we must ensure that there is presence of the certificate of analysis or certificates of quality for the incoming oranges and the different packaging materials. So a quick revision for the previous video. We are talking about the types of the records to be maintained in our HACCP plan. We have started with the HACCP plan documentation, the monitoring records, the corrective action records, the verification records, the training records, and the supplier and the ingredient documentation. Number 7 are the distribution and storage records. We have mentioned here in number 6 the supplier and the ingredient documentation about the receiving of the raw materials and the packaging materials. Now we are talking about the finished product, which is must defined by the batch number or the lot number of the production product. The storage conditions, either the temperature of the or the humidity, and of course the shipment documentation. So today we have finished the supplier and ingredient documentation and distribution and storage records. I will explain each record of these with examples, so don't be panic from the amount of the documentation, because your HACCP plan is very important to continue all the different type of the ingredient receiving and the final product storage. Number 8 will be the consumer complaint record. This consumer complaint, we must have a log of any complaint received regarding from the customer, and these or the from the consumer, and these complaints must be related to the product safety or the product quality, and we must have the investigation to know the main root cause and what are the resolution details and the corrective action taken by the company itself. Okay. Number 9 are the cleaning and sanitation records. Very important this part, because we are talking about the activities including schedule of the cleaning and sanitation and the verification of its effectiveness. It will be very important table to be known, because you will design your own cleaning and sanitation program and schedule according to these criteria. Number 10, the most important thing, also the pest control records. It will be the logs of the pest control measures, the frequency of the inspection, and any corrective action taken. Also, we'll talk about the pesticide used in the pest control prevention activities. Number 11 are the recall and withdrawal records. It must include documentation of any product recalls or withdrawals, including reasons and actions taken. So I have today explained, starting from the supplier and ingredient documentation, distribution and storage of the records, consumer complaint record, the cleaning and sanitation records, the pest control records, and finally the recall and withdrawal records to document any product recalled or withdrawal from the consumer or from the customers, including, of course, the reasons and the actions taken and the outcomes of the investigations for this recall or withdrawal. Thank you so much, and let's continue in the upcoming video about the rest of our documents. Thank you so much, and goodbye.